Hi, I'm Tom Kunetz, immediate past president of the Water Environment Federation, and I'd like to thank you for having me here at the Clean Water Professionals of Kentucky and Tennessee annual awards ceremony. I wanted to let you know that just like CWP, these days WEF is just as strong as ever in providing you with the programming and educational material you need to keep doing that great job you are doing, protecting the water environment of the beautiful and natural states of Kentucky and Tennessee. From the very beginning of the coronavirus pandemic, WEF has quickly mobilized our extensive array of experts within our membership to provide the latest technical and scientific information to you and the water community. WEF provides a clearinghouse of relevant information and resources specific to the water sector on trusted sources of information, relevant webcasts, public outreach resources, and frequently asked questions about the coronavirus. To truly strengthen WEF's commitment to protecting the health and safety of the wastewater workforce, now and into the future, WEF leadership has established a new staff position called Chief Medical Officer. The Chief Medical Officer's role is to provide reliable medical information to wastewater utility managers and workers, conduct research, and serve as a spokesperson on medical issues. The first person to fill this vital role is Dr. Andrew Sanderson, a gastroenterologist at Weatherby Healthcare and an associate professor at Howard University in Washington, D.C. I want to highlight that this opportunity was created in collaboration with Xylem, which has provided foundational funding for this position. The second thing I would like to talk about is WEF's ongoing commitment to do our part towards eradicating social injustice and inequalities in our communities. These are tumultuous times, but with every crisis, there comes opportunity. The coronavirus pandemic has put a spotlight on the damaging effects of the lack of affordability and access to basic services, which have plagued some of our fellow countrymen for years. But the pandemic has also put a spotlight on the often invisible essential workers, which has made the work that you do all the more prominent in the public's eye. So now we have an opportunity to use that public attention to make changes. One of the changes that WEF has been hard at work doing for the past few years is to increase the diversity of the water workforce to truly mirror the makeup of the communities that we serve. WEF President Jackie Jarrell and I ask you to continue this vital work in your communities through the support of the Clean Water Professionals of Kentucky and Tennessee. The third thing I'd like you to know is that WEF Tech is not canceled. Unfortunately, we will not be meeting in person in New Orleans this year as planned. However, join us instead for a virtual WEF Tech that we are calling WEF Tech Connect. The member volunteers and WEF staff who bring you the amazing conference and exhibition every year have been hard at work to retool WEF Tech to an all-virtual platform. WEF Tech Connect will offer more than 400 on-demand interactive educational and technical presentations, an exhibitor showcase, a virtual operations challenge competition, networking chat rooms to see and catch up with your colleagues, and of course, no WEF Tech would be complete without committee meetings. The great thing about WEF Tech Connect is that since it's happening all online, there are no travel costs, so it is easily accessible to all members of your organization. Registration is open, and the digital programming will be held October 5th through 9th. So, with that, I'd like to say, congratulations to all the awardees for your accomplishments and your service to humanity. I honor your spirit of commitment and service. Until we meet again, keep up the great work, y'all.